Hi there, in this video I will be showing you how I do my backtests and what strategy I'm currently backtesting. So if this is something you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's go into how I do my backtest. So I backtest my strategy using TradingView with the replay function. And I combine that with a spreadsheet that I keep in Google Sheets. So here's the spreadsheet. I've been backtesting this strategy for the Euro USD since 2017, and I will backtest this for several currency pairs, and I've written down some trading rules that this strategy will have to abide by. So it's a support and it's a supply and demand zone strategy combined with market structure. So I occasionally look at support and resistance, but mostly use supply and demand zone as levels to trade off, and I use candlestick patterns, so that's kind of market structure, to get into the trades and also to exit trades if market turns around. So let's just go to the charts and let me zoom in a little bit. So here in blue you see all kinds of zones that I've marked up. These are basically supply and demand zones. So market goes up here very strongly, makes a wick here. This is on the daily chart, by the way, and then it strongly goes down. So in this area I expect to be a lot of sell orders still waiting around. Then market drops, and then here there's some hesitation, so the drop is halted, market goes up, and then it strongly goes down again. So in this whole area there are still some orders lying to sell the euro against USD. So then when prices move up again and came into this zone here, then we formed a pattern that I would trade off to the downside, and this would have been a profitable trade. So what pattern is it that we see here? I call this an inside bar pattern because this bearish candle is at the inside of this bullish candle. So I would trade this like this. Let me take the tool that I use. That's the Fibonacci tool. So let me see, something like this. I would trade it. So I take the outside bar and then I put the 50% retracement as my entry. So we would have been tagged in right here, and then market went strongly down. So if we look at the 4 hour, you can see it more clearly. So let's move a little bit back. So here you can see that we got tagged in right here, and then we went down to the target. So I only trade this, or I intend to trade this only on end of day basis, because I don't want to be sitting at the charts all day looking for entries. So I just want to look at the end of the day. At my time it's in the evening, and then place my trade, a pending order, and then the next day I can see if it's been hit or filled. So for instance, this order here, this is on the 30th of March. So I would have placed an entry here with my stop above these highs here, and then I take a fixed reward of 2R, and then I'm out. I'm not going to be greedy trying to catch more. I'm also not going to try and catch less, because this at least that's what I'm testing here. I just want to make 2R, risking 1, and yeah, that should make me profitable. So if we take a look at the results this far, let me show you those. they are reasonably promising. So if we go to the breakdown, then here you can see the curve of the R, so the cumulative R, so the profit and losses. So that looks pretty good. In how long has this been? Since 2000, let me see, 2017 up until 2020 in May, so that's like 2.5 years. So 2017, 18, 19, no, 3.5 years, almost 3.5 years, making 35 R, so that's 10 R per year. That's just for one pair. So I'm pretty hopeful that if I test other pairs, that I will get the same kind of results. So if you just trade maybe 5 or 6 pairs, then you can make 5 or 6 R per month, and risking 1%, that's then 6% per month. So that's pretty good. Also, the max drawdown is very low, only 3. So that's also, yeah, that gives a good performance rate. So all in all, I'm pretty excited about this trading strategy, how it's working out. I do need to test more. I want to test more pairs and more years of data. And so if you want to see this spreadsheet and you want to see these results as I update them, you can go to the link in the description below and get this sheet, and you can follow along and maybe get some ideas and copy this strategy if you want. I also suggest you always backtest it yourself, so you can learn the strategy and understand it completely and have good confidence in strategy. At least that's why I'm backtesting this. So I hope you found this helpful, this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. And go to the description below if you want to get the spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, and until next time.